Hello dear students, let's start history lesson number 7 from shelters to village settlements. There are 3 points. First, shelter. Second, seasonal camps. Third, village settlements. Let's see step by step. First, shelter. As you all know, what is the meaning of shelter? Means house. Yes, correct. In 5th standard, we saw that Neanderthal men who started lives in a cave. At that time in Europe, there was extremely means too much cold. So this Neanderthal started themselves protecting from what? From freezing. For that, what they started? They started wore leather clothing, as well as they started use of fire. But this thing was not enough, because at that period there was extremely cold. Too much cold was there. It was impossible to hide themselves, protect themselves from freezing. So he started build house, build tent. Where? Inside the cave. Where they start build tents, erect tents inside the cave. For what purpose? For warmth themselves. Whatever necessary, they also build huts in open space. They build house inside the cave also and outside the cave also when it is necessary. Let's see 7.2 seasonal camps. Which season you know? Summer season, rainy season as well as winter season. According to these 3 seasons, they started camps. In Middle Stone Age, Homo sapiens, what they did? They established camps all over the world. At that time, climate was getting warm. Warm means getting hot. And everywhere, environment was changing. Environment was changing, as well as this Homo sapien also started change. But in Middle Stone Age, big animals like mammoths, okay, like these are mammoths. They extinction means they died. Why? Because of changing environment. As well as they was hunted in a large scale. After that, Homo sapien turned to fishing. Homo sapien was depend on hunting of smaller animals like wild bear, deer, mountain goat and sheep. Means these animals they was hunting. Change of diet pattern. They started moving or roam to far away regions. Means they started going one place to another place just because of changed diet pattern. They move their camps to different places according to seasonal changes. After that, they started harvested, means they started farming according to seasonal wild grains and seasonal fruits and roots. They started harvesting, okay, as well as they started use of seasonal fruits and roots. After some skills they developed, they got knowledge of seasons for fishing. By observation, they discovered best hunting. Where? On grounds. For example, jungle area. This was the reason they started in a one place for a long time. They cleared jungle by felling trees and set up their seasonal camp, as you can see in the picture. A reconstruction of a village settlement. This happened in New Stone Age. Now the New Stone Age was started. New Stone Age humans was completely different from Old Stone Age, as well as they was different from Middle Stone Age humans. In New Stone Age, humans become producer of food grain, means he was a good farmer. He became a good farmer in a New Stone Age. In Old Stone Age as well as in Middle Stone Age, there was necessary to move all the time from one place to another place. But in New Stone Age, it get easy just because of improvement of food grain or cultivation, means they started farming. Agriculture make possible to store food and use it over for a long period. Just because of agriculture, they started store of food for a longer period. Hence, there was no need to keep moving constantly. Means before this period, there was moving from one place to another place for gathering food. But in New Stone Age, they developed their agriculture skill and they started store food for a long period. For this purpose, there was no need for moving constantly, means continuous. This agriculture work made them to stay in a one place, and people establish permanent village settlement and live generation after generation. In next lesson, we shall review the social organization and the culture of these village settlements. Thank you.